Welcome back to Lesson 1 on Product of Powers. Here we'll be using our Product of Powers rule, which states that when you multiply two powers with the same base, you can add the exponents. So example 1, we have to write each as a single power. So we have 6 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 4. So I first note that the bases are the same, so I'm able to add the exponents together. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now for B, I need to add together 10 plus 2, which is 12, making sure you keep brackets around the base since it's negative. And for C, I add together 0 plus 15, which is just 15. Now for D, we have 12 with no exponent. When there's no exponent written there, you assume there's a 1. So you can put a 1 there, and then add together 1 plus 7, which is 8. In example 2, we have to write as a single power, but then we have to evaluate it. So for A, I need to add together 5 plus 2, which is 7. Now working that out on the calculator, I get 2,187. For B, I need to add together 4 plus 6, which is 10. Now I don't need a calculator for this one. I know I'm going to have a 1 followed by 10 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For C, we have 3 bases here. But since they're all equal, we can still apply the exponent rule and add together 2 plus 3 plus 4. So doing that gives me negative 6 to the 9. Put that in the calculator, I got negative 10,077,696. Now for D, I need to add together 14 plus 13, which gives me 27. Now here I have a negative base with a odd exponent, so my answer is just going to be a negative 1. Now example 3, we have a couple of expressions worked out, but there's an error. So we have to explain the error. So in A they have 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 3. Now our rule says we're supposed to add the exponents together, but it looks like they must have multiplied 2 times 3 to get 6. So we can just say that they did not add the exponents. They multiplied. So the correct answer, in fact, should be 4 to the power of 5. Now in B, the mistake they made here is that they combined two powers that had different bases. This here has a base of 10, whereas this one here with the brackets has a base of negative 10. So you can't use the product of powers law. So I'll make that note now that they cannot combine negative 10 to the 8 and negative 10 to the 4, as they have different bases. What you would need to do here is work each one out individually and then multiply them together, since you can't combine it as a single base.